Hello friends, welcome to Dedicated Code. Okay, so now time for the FTP server installation on the Ubuntu with the help of VSFTPD. So to start the installation, first we will update our repositories. FTP helps to transfer our files from the local machine to the server very easily. Once our repositories has been updated, now it is time for installation of VSFTPD. Please make sure that all these commands are already given in the description. Once done, it is now time to launch the service, means start the service. After that, we will enable the FTP. Before doing any changes into the configuration of FTP file, we will first take the backup. So now we have took the backup in the default. Let's add the user. For the demonstration, we will add dedicated core as a user. Same, we will add the password. You can change this to a secured one. We can see the password has been updated successfully. Now time for whitelist the IP address of FTP, that is 20 and 21. To do that, we has to understand the firewall. In our case, we have already installed UFW firewall. If you wanted to know the all possible firewalls available for the Linux operating systems like Ubuntu and all, we have already given a link in the description. You can able to go and watch. For UFW also we had given a link, so you can able to understand how to use UFW. But in our case, our focus is to do installation of FTP in Ubuntu. So I will enter this command and you can able to see that 20 port is now added into our firewall, and second we will open this 22 port. Okay, after doing this changes, now we will try to connect Ubuntu FTP server with the help of this method. Okay, so you can able to just enter your details and you can able to connect with the server. But our goal is to explain you all the possible settings and informations that you need for the setup of FTP server. In this case, if you want to change the default directory, first we will create a directory. After that, we will change this to, after that we will add to the FTP, and once done, it is time to restart our VSFTPD services. And if you wanted to allow user to upload a file, for that we need to allow FTP user authentication. To do this, we need to edit a file, that is configuration file of FTP. Just enter vsftpd.config, and to avoid complications, we already took the backup, so you don't have to worry about the mistakes. In that, we have to look for the option write enable, and here it is one. Let me edit the file, remove the comment and save the file and hit enter. After doing this, we again has to restart the service. Once done, allow user to make changes inside the home directory. Now to encrypt the traffic with FTPS, means whenever user try to upload a data, it will securely get uploaded to the server. For that, we need to install OpenSSL first. To install the OpenSSL, this command is useful. Here it will ask for the country code. In this case, I will enter US. It will ask for the name and city, organization name, organization unit name DC, and the common name, email address, and done. Once done, we will enable SSL. Here we have to edit the file, and here we have to look for the option SSL. Let me edit the file. Here, to enable the SSL, we can able to use this command, and once adding this command, after that we can able to add the below files. So our SSL certificate enable process work smoothly. Once done, it is now time for the save file, and then again restart the FTPD. Now we have successfully completed installation of FTP on our Ubuntu server with the help of VSFTPD. Hopefully this video guide helps you in the FTP installation. If you are interested to learn more about server setups and all, you can able to follow our video guides available on Dedicated Core YouTube channel.